Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna predict where Aurora stock is going to, what Aurora stock's gonna do tomorrow. What my opinion is, what you guys are watching my. This is just my opinion. I could totally be wrong. But I'm thinking that the stock price is gonna not go down because unless Canopy stock goes down, like I'm thinking that tomorrow, I think we're gonna flatline tomorrow. I think we're going to be trading between 917 to 872. After hours, the stock's already popped up, but that's what I think. I don't think the stock is going back to 972. Like it actually touched $10 before it declined. I don't think the stock price is going back to that price. I think it's going to just be hovering between 910 to 870, and possibly by the end of the day, it could drop below. Could drop to 850. Depending, it just all depends on how Canopy trades. Canopy is gonna be like, this is just my opinion though. I think that if Canopy stays at like $56, Aurora's gonna stay around $9. Uh, but if Canopy goes to $50, then Aurora might go to $8. This is my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. Sometimes I get shit wrong. So at the end of the day, nobody really knows exactly what the stocks are gonna do, but there are signs that you can indicate that will help you kind of determine where the stock price is going. First of all, a good indicator is volume drop off. We'll see where the volume is tomorrow, especially on opening. If opening is very strong, that would dictate the entire day. Uh, but the volume's dropping off, and usually when the volume drops off, the stock price is low. If you just look through history, like low volume, stock price down. Low volume, stock price down. Oh, I guess this point was stock, like the volume was ramping up, but it's still very low volume here. And then low volume here, stock price down. So if the volume drops off, I'm assuming the price is gonna go back to $7. This is just my opinion, though. So I'm hoping a Canopy volume's dropping. But it looks like Canopy's volume is dropping off, but I'm hoping that it really drops off because I would like to buy back these stocks. So I don't know why it rallied in the first place. Maybe people just can't. I don't know. I honestly, maybe because the entire market rally, the weed market kind of followed. So I guess in my assumption is if the entire market is rallying and rallying and rallying, then the weed market might follow, and the prices may never go back down to. Well, I honestly believe that I will eventually see this price tag again of 40, 36, $40. I do believe that it will eventually fall back to this price point, but we'll see where things you know go in the future. So Aurora, why did I have Aurora up again? Okay, never mind. So Netflix had good earnings. They had, they beat expectations. They beat expectations subscribers. They're increasing their subscription fee. I just watched this movie called Bird Box. I thought it was actually very good. I thought it was a very good movie. That's why it did so well, because Netflix did a good job, and a lot of people want to check it out. I just watched it. The beginning of the movie was kind of boring a little bit, but like after like 10 minutes of watching, the entire movie gets really exciting, and overall it's a decent movie. I liked it. I enjoyed it. The ending was kind of dumb, but besides the ending, the entire movie was not bad. I enjoyed it. Netflix. I honestly believe that just because Netflix stock declined, like Netflix going down, uh, after hours of 3.82%, I believe that this is just an opportunity for people to do call options. because no, this is my opinion though. No, I'm actually, this is my opinion. I think that no, the decrease in price will be a good call option for people, like if they want a quick flip, because I still, I believe that if the entire market still rallies, this price tag is temporary. I think that it could reverse itself probably by midday trading. If everything is green, this stock price will probably reverse itself. Just my opinion. So we'll see what happens. But there's a reason why the stock price is. I don't know. It's just. I honestly believe that. Netflix will rally with the market. If the market rallies, Netflix will rally the market. So it all depends on how the stock market is traded tomorrow. No, I think that we could rally all through January, and then March will be the month where everyone hurts the most. That's just my opinion though, because on January 30th is when Apple announces their earnings, and Apple could affect the market in a big way, and then that could set the stage for the rest of January. Could, but February might be a good month, so the market could go up to, there's a possibility that the market could go back up to all-time highs, and Netflix could be $400, by the end of February. It's possible. We could be like, remember how I said that we could be in the shortest bear market? It could happen, but a lot of people are saying that it's gonna reverse. It could reverse, but it might be just a small bump, and then it might just go all the way back up again. So that's what I think. I think that the stock market might just rally. We might not have a crash, but if you guys think we have a crash, please comment down below. Tell me why. Like, all this bad news comes out and the stock market still rallies. I think the stock market is going to go higher. I think Trump is going to make a bigger bubble, because he wants to be president. He does not want the United States to go into recession. He knows that if the United States go into a recession, he won't become president. So he's stopping the stock market crash. He's preventing it. He's calling up banks, telling them to push up the stock market so the United States don't go into a recession. Like after hours, even though Netflix is down, Microsoft is still up. Microsoft is heading back to its all-time highs, before the market crash, which is $115. I think Microsoft might make it there if the market rallies back. American Express, I had a call option on American Express. High interest rates. I thought American Express would benefit off that. So, but it went down a little bit. I still think this is a temporary down. I think that in the morning it's probably going to push back up. It's just my opinion though. We'll see where things are heading tomorrow. Amazon, Amazon's not been down that much. Like, I thought, Netflix would affect Amazon, but nope, not really. Apple's also up after hours. Apple, all that Apple bad news just rallies. They said they cut guidance at $57. They're like, oh, we're expecting less revenues and EPS and everything, and then the stock plummets, and now the stock is back to where it originally was. So when earnings come out, it could set the month for March, or it could just ignore it and keep going up and make absolutely no sense. I don't know. We'll see. But earnings for Apple will be the most interesting. Everybody is gonna be playing these options. I almost guarantee you, because Apple will be very volatile when earnings come around. Anyways, oh yeah, Disney also kind of just hanging around, like it's near its all-time highs. We'll see where, Disney's also having its earnings on February 5th. Disney's going to be a competitor of Netflix. And Netflix and Disney basically have almost the same market cap right now. But I guess when they combine with Fox, Disney's going to way surpass Netflix. I think Disney could be undervalued if you take the inflation into Netflix. I think Disney can be like a $200 billion market cap if they ever have a competitor to Netflix, or possibly more, maybe $250 million market cap. Only time will tell if Disney will be a true competitor to Netflix, but Disney has a real shot because they have so much content. Disney has the most content in the world. They're making exclusive Disney content. They are a reputable name brand. A lot of people know them. I think if they came out with a service, they could steal a lot of Netflix service, or they can add in addition to both people will play both sides and get both Disney and Netflix. But not a lot of people like to spend too much money on content, so Netflix might get dropped for Disney. That's the biggest bear right now for Netflix is Disney. At least this is just my opinion. Google also didn't really fall after hours, and Google is part of the FANG stocks. Google, I guess Google is down quite a bit from its all-time highs, but that was in July. So, but still, if the market recovers, Google could go back to $1,200. That's only like 10 or 15%. It's possible, but it doesn't matter. Will you make a lot of money buying Google now? Probably not. So like a 10% pop on it, but then the gamble is the stock could fall dramatically and hurt people if you buy right now. Right now is probably not a good time to buy. You want to wait until the stock at least falls back at least 3 or 4%. But the entire market. AMD's just holding out. Like TSMC did bad today and they cut guidance. I don't have TSMC here. TSM. They are the creators of Apple's iPhone. They make Nvidia's GPU. They make AMD CPU and GPU. And they make a lot of cell phone chips and stuff. So, and they cut guidance, and the stock just rallied today. The stock totally ignored it. Bad news didn't really matter, and the stock still rallied. So, TSMC Q1 guidance anticipate its steep revenue fall in years because of Apple's iPhone cutback. But the stock wasn't even affected. It didn't even really move the stock. That's why AMD kind of rallied with TSMC. If TSMC fell big time, I think AMD would have fell with TSMC and Nvidia. Aurora, after hours, up 15 cents. We'll see where it goes tomorrow, but I'm assuming it's gonna be trading around, 656 to 688. If it drops to $6, that would be good for me. But I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky and have the stock drop all the way down to $6. But you never know. So I'm gonna hurry this video up. It's already been so damn long. Okay, so United States Steel. I wish I did a call option on it. I'm so pissed off at myself. I told myself if it dropped below my price target, I would do a call option on it. I should have just done it, but I didn't, and now it sucks. I'm losing out on possibly of easy money. Tesla doing very well. Like, I'm surprised. I mean, I'm not surprised, but earnings is coming soon, and you know, if they manage to flip a profit, will they break the, you know, the $376? I do still have like 10 shares or 9 shares of Tesla, so I still own some shares of Tesla, but yeah, each share is expensive. It's like each share is $347. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.